My journey starts at the National Museum of African American History and Culture. I have never actually been there before, and I actually, to be honest, haven't even gone to the website to peruse. I've just kind of looked to see if I can gain some tickets, and since it's opening, it's been pretty full. So my husband and I are going to plan to go and visit soon. But since we had to do this particular assignment, I thought, man, it'd be a great idea to peruse the website and kind of go to another one just to see what they have there. And of course, I look at the different web pages and homepage and see this wonderful topic on blackface, which is something that I wanted to do for one of my social studies collaborations. So I decided to go in just to see what they had to offer, since blackface has been a huge thing in the news with the governors and things like that. So I went in and I actually read the post, and it has an excellent article, and it shows about the entertainers of that time and how they used blackface. And it gives some historical information concerning it, and also some other different things that I'm actually scrolling down just to allow you to see, and even how Jim Crow got into our history and world culture and terminology. And so I just thought this was really, really awesome, just to see some of the different objects of how minstrels and vaudeville and all that kind of gotten started, and some of the different artifacts that were also captured. And also what I love too, being a librarian, it has the words, the keywords that you can use and tags that you can use in order to gain this information. Also, I went to the Digital Public Library of America, I think it's called, yes. And I also wanted to do some search, so I did blackface, I did blackface, and stereotypes as my keywords, and I did a search on that as well. And it gave me 44 results, which is not too bad, but it also gave me some information, dates, images, and it gave me great information to start with to gain some more information on the topic of blackface and how I can just incorporate some of these photos and different things that have gone on throughout the history of our country with this particular topic. So I hope that you've enjoyed what I found, and I thought it was very interesting, and I'm kind of thankful that we had this exercise. It really taught me a lot, and I think it will actually help my students as well. Thank you.